Hi everyone, welcome back to Spark Plugin. Today we have a very exciting topic and it's all things Squarespace plugins. So I will walk you through some of the most interesting ones to enhance your website's functionality. You can explore the full list by clicking the link in the description. I'm not going to waste any more time, so let's get into it. So we have rounded up over 150 Squarespace plugins that you can explore, and we're going to go through a few of them with you today. And as you can see, we have a filter at the top of the blog post, and you can basically filter through depending on what kind of plugin you need. And of course, we love having free plugins. Who doesn't? And then you can also select popular, easy to install, interactive, e-commerce, header, and you can do show all. So let's say we were to want to do popular, and then the next thing you can do is select which version you wanted the plugin to be. So if your website was Squarespace 7.0, you could just select the 7.0. If it's 7.1, you'd select 7.1. And as you can see, you scroll down and you can view all the different plugins. So we're going to go through a few of them and talk about them. So the first one is Spark plugin, and we of course are a little bit biased, but this is the best one. And it's because you can customize anything on your website in just a few clicks. You don't need any coding experience. You really don't even need to code. You just have to install it with a snippet of code, but you literally copy and paste it, so it's very easy. Our plugin has hundreds of customizations, and we're always coming out with new features every month, and if it's not a new feature, then it's an update. You can try out Spark plugin 14 days free if you go to our website. The next one we have is a sidebar plugin, and this one allows you to basically install a sidebar to your Squarespace website, and you can customize the width, position, and margins. You can even make it fixed in place, which is really cool for not having to use any CSS. This is what the plugin looks like on their site, and they have more on their features over here. And as you can see, there is even a demo and customer examples, and you can also contact them if needed. It is $59 for a standard license and $177 for a business license. It is a one-time payment, so it's not a subscription based where you pay every month, you just pay it once. Okay, going to the next one, we have custom textiles for Squarespace, and this one, of course, is Spark plugin, and it is included in your monthly subscription. All of our customizations are included in your subscription, so you don't have to purchase the customization separately. They are all included once again. And with this customization, you can customize your text. You can make it animated. You can add a gradient. You can change the color. You can add this underline and outline. And then I'm actually going to click on the link to show you what it looks like. And this is just the demo on our website, and you can read more into it when you click the link in the description. But basically, as you can see here, we show the different things that you can do with textiles customization. Once again, no code required. You just click whatever you need and it automatically updates. The next one is add a lightbox to anything on your Squarespace website. And this is really cool because you can make a lightbox pop up from any text button or image link. And this is $59 per website. And I'm going to click on it so we can see what their site looks like. So this is also by SQSP Themes. And once again, it is a $59 one-time buy or $177 if you need it for your business license. So as you can see over here on the demo, this is amazing for e-commerce because, you know, when you want to display your size guide, but you want it to pop up and not take it to a separate page, you can do so with this pop-up. And there's obviously a couple different ways that you can use this pop-up, and it just makes the experience a lot more fun on your website, so we highly recommend trying this one out. Next up, we have section dividers in Squarespace. This is a really cool customization for your Squarespace design because you can divide your blocks with these dividers. And as you can see right here on the image we have, there are a couple different styles that you can incorporate into your website. And I'm just going to click on the site, and this is by Spark plugin. It's included in your monthly subscription. And as you can see here on the demo, There are quite a few shapes. The other thing I wanted to mention is you are able to change the color of these with the plugin. You don't have to use any CSS, which makes it very easy. Back to the blog post, we have Squarespace testimonial slider plugin, and this is really cool to showcase what your customers are saying. And this plugin is also $40 one-time pay. So we're going to go on their website, and this is by Ghost Plugins. And as you can see, they have a few demos over here on this plugin. Again, really cool for testimonials. This works with 7.0, the Brine, and 7.1. It does require a business plan or higher, and it uses CSS editor and code injection. And they do have an installation guide included, so that's really good to know. There's also all of these customizable options, so you can customize the color, the radius, all that. It's really nice to look into this before buying a plugin so you can make sure you can actually customize it to your branding, which is very important. And they also have an installation guide preview. Back to the blog post, we have an image changer plugin, and this one is really cool because it will allow your visitors to rotate between images. When a caption is clicked, the image will change. So we're going to go onto their website, and they have the demo right over here, and as you can tell, when you click on the caption, the image changes. And that's actually a really cool functionality for e-commerce, or again, like an Airbnb type of website. It just really elevates your website. And once again, this is Ghost Plugins, and we're going to look at the customizable options. Everything is pretty much customizable. And this customization is $25. I believe you pay once. Yes, it's a one-time purchase, and I believe they do have a monthly access where you can subscribe and access their entire library. Okay, so back to the blog post once again, we have Square Kicker extension, and this is a Squarespace extension that enables you to customize your website without using any code, and the price starts at $12 a month. And let's go on their website and see what they have to offer. And now we're on their website, and as you can tell, they say that they're an all-in-one extension with over 80 tools. And here are a few of the different tools. You can actually demo it right here. I'm just hovering over, so it's very easy. I don't know if I mentioned it, that extension is $12 a month. Okay, next up we have the Scroll Indicator plugin, and this is by Spark Plugins, so it's included in your monthly subscription. And basically you can add these scroll indicators to your Squarespace website. And I'm going to go on the website and show you a demo over here. You can add different kinds of shapes. You can also change the color. And of course, you can always go in and read more into this customization. And there are some more live demos. Just very engaging. So back to the blog post, we have a secondary navigation plugin, and this one allows you to add a secondary navigation, and this one is for Squarespace 7.1, so you can't use it on 7.0. Okay, and as you can see, we're on the website for the plugin. It is by Will Myers, and there's a demo over here on what the plugin looks like, which is very helpful. And then over here we have the prices. It is $25 for single use and $60 for multi-use, and then they have a discounted price for their Code Curious members. And we're going to scroll down and look at the features. So there are, let me just exit out of this, 3 different positions. It's fully customizable, including position and sticky, includes logo, site, title, links, social links, call to action button. It has simple navigation mode, easy to hand off, and multiple styles, mobile friendly, which is very important. And then there's the compatibility, which you can look through the licenses, and support is provided. Next, we have an advanced map block plugin. You can style the map block as you want and show multiple locations, and there's a couple other things you can do. It is $40 per site. So we're on the website now, and we can see the demo, and basically what you can do is you can get this plugin, and then you can have a map on your Squarespace website, and users can click on the customizable pins that you add and see the different locations. And you can get this for one site license or multiple site licenses, and then they have a very detailed demo on how to customize and install their plugin. Okay, next one is MailChimp Squarespace extension. You can automatically sync your customers to MailChimp from your Squarespace website to MailChimp. This is completely free. You can do this through MailChimp and Squarespace. So all you have to do is just connect to the site and you're basically good to go. There's a few other key features you can explore, but very easy integration through Squarespace. And like I said, you can go through the filter and just explore other customizations we have over here. I will have the link in the description. And that's just a taste of what's available. You can find the full list by clicking the link in the description and find out which ones are right for your website. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, and click the bell for future updates. I'll see you in the next video.